Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have my lip monthly for the month of August. To see what I got, stay tuned. Now, for those of you who don't know what lip monthly is, as I'm pulling everything out of here, I already pre-opened this. Lip monthly is exactly what it says. You get 4 full-size lip products every month for $12.95. Now they have a special code at the checkout that if you've never tried Lip Monthly and you would like to try it for your first time, use the code FIRST5, F-I-R-S-T 5 at the checkout, and you'll only pay $5 for your first bag, free shipping. Okay, so you get a little product card in here and it has some details on this side. But I wanted to read something to you because I've noticed that they are not shipping all lip products anymore. And a lot of people have been questioning that. So in this card this month, they addressed that. And they said, hey, yeah, we hope that you are making the most of the summer. This month, we've equipped your bag with 2 lippies that'll keep your lips looking and feeling fresh. Additionally, here's where the other part comes in. Additionally, due to the times that we are living in, we realize that many of you may be wearing face masks and your lips may need a break. So given this, you may receive 2 non-lippies in your bag this month. A Hikera eyeshadow and a Clio Nair eyeliner. Let us know what you think. So that makes sense, you know, because these lip products can add up and our lips are not seeing the sunshine anymore out there. So that is a pretty good valid reason to start including some makeup products in there. So now we know. Okay, so here's the little bag you get. You get this cute little makeup bag. And the first one out is the eyeshadow, and this is called a Glam Hikera, and this is a cream pigment, and this is the way it looks. Wow, is that a color or what? Okay, let me swatch this. That's pretty, huh? That is a very pretty color. Okay, and here's the next item out, and this is the Estate, and this is called Wet. And this is the color, and it looks like a nice lip gloss. Lip icing is what they call it. And since I already have some lip product on here, I'll just go ahead and swatch this real quick for you. So that's the way that looks. Nice, usable, doable color. So we have the lip icing. We have the eyeshadow, which I will just keep it out like that. And then we have, this is Cargo, and this is Essential Lip Gloss. And lip gloss is always necessary. A nice, pretty pale pink color. And I'll go ahead and put that on there. It's almost nude, just a light pink color. So a lovely color. And we have one more eye product, which they told us about, which is the eyeliner. And it's just your nice basic black eyeliner. So very good. I like that they are explaining why we are getting eye products in the Lip Monthly bag. That makes sense due to the mask. So remember, if you've never tried Lip Monthly and you would like to try your first bag, use code FIRST5 at your checkout. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please click the like button down below. It would really help me out. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.